What's up, beautiful people? So today I want to talk to you about why content is key to getting qualified insurance leads. Now, if you've already purchased the Unlimited Insurance Lead Machine Blueprint or Masterclass and you're setting up your lead system, then pay attention because once it's ready, you need to start getting eyes on your social media profiles. You're probably thinking, how am I supposed to do that? The good thing is you've already taken the first step and started creating your brand new lead generation system. But you also need to get traffic so you can turn those new friends into loyal customers. What that means is posting daily, engaging content that attracts your dream customer, so that you can take the time and creativity. What I recommend is creating a calendar of what you want to post and where you want to make that post so you're consistent and able to grow your presence on social media. Here's the thing though, writing content and writing it consistently and posting consistently can be challenging and also frustrating. Most insurance agents don't have the time or want to learn how to do this because it takes up time away from their business. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can it's a little bit harder, but you can absolutely do it. If you're scheduling out your time, creating content in bulk, and you're consistent, you will be able to do it on your own. After speaking with past clients though, they've actually set up their lead systems and they said that writing content consistently and posting was something that they wish they could outsource because they can spend more time to convert the leads they're getting. Remember, you have to put gas in the tank in order to drive. Your lead system is your Ferrari it's going to get you qualified insurance leads. But you still have to put gas in the tank. The gas is posting, commenting, and providing value so that your dream customer can enter your ecosystem. Right now, for the next 5 people who want to outsource their content management, we will do the work for you. We'll do all the commenting, all of the posting and management so that your lead system is completely flawless, so that you don't have to spend a single minute of your time and you can get expert engaging content and drive eyes directly to your social media profile so you can turn them into qualified insurance leads. As you might have noticed, social media can be time consuming, like I mentioned before. But if you really want consistent leads on autopilot, then content management is key to making that happen. If this is something you'd like to learn more about, then click on the link in the description to schedule a free strategy session to determine if this would be a good fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.